Alright guys, today we're at the Loves in Watertown, New York. It's let's say Thursday the 9th of May. I'm gonna go in and get me I guess I'm gonna get McDonald's. I don't have much food in the truck. My refrigerator freezer broke down, and I'll show you that shortly. Alright guys, so we got our cooler. We gotta put ice in it. Yeah, my refrigerator freezer up top quit on me. Well, I say it's still kind of working a little bit, but I got a new refrigerator freezer coming, but for this week I just got my regular cooler. Just barely fits. Kinda. Yeah, so we're here in Watertown on our 10-hour break. Got about 45 minutes left. So I've ran a couple loads up to Vermont. Let's see, I said, yeah, today's Thursday, and I took one up last Friday. I mentioned on the last the vlog, I think, yeah, I picked up Friday and there was something wrong with that trailer, so I ended up sitting, decided to have me pick up the next load and take it up instead, because we had to wait on parts. I think I told that story in the last vlog about the brakes on that trailer. We've delivered 4 since then, but the schedule's been kind of slow. So I had plenty of time on all the runs. I still have hours to work. What do I do with my keys now? I'm on my way to pick up one more load, and then I might be off for a couple days and be able to take a load home with me. We got ahead of them again, pretty much. They were broke down up at the other plant, so we're a little bit ahead, and they need to have room to you know, take the product in when we get there. So alright guys, we have picked up our loaded trailer here at Fulton to go up to Vermont. There's my cooler, the ice cooler that we put ice in before, down the floor. It's always in the way. This is my, let's put the light on, ICECO VL, I think it's a VL45, so it's a 45 quart. And if you take a look at these temperatures right here, what do I have these set at? Let's see. That one was set at 50, it's holding 54. That one's been set at 29, and it's gotten down to 61, and that's been turned on for like 3 days. So definitely shot. Like I said, I got a new one at home. I tried cleaning the dust out of all the vents and everything. It's just not working. I thought I only had this thing for like 3.5 years or 3 years, but I looked it up and it's almost 5 years I've had this cooler. So this next one I bought, this is a metal one or aluminum, something, I don't know. It's made out of metal. So it's called a metal series, I think. I can't remember now, it's been so long since I bought it. But yeah, it's the next one I bought here that's at the house already, just arrived yesterday, is a tough one. It's supposed to be tough. Yeah, but I think it's composite or plastic or something. But hopefully it'll last longer than 4.5 years, because they're expensive. And I didn't really want to spend the money on it, but having one of these coolers like this, it'll pay for itself probably in a couple of months, just by keeping it stocked with food from home, and so you don't have to go and eat out every meal. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, we're gonna get going, get on the road, head up to Vermont. I just found out that after I deliver this load, I'm gonna come back and pick up a trailer that's already loaded over here and take it home with me. And they said 2 or 3 days they'll let me know when it needs to be up there. We're too far ahead. They don't have no more room to put this stuff in the warehouse up there. So that's the plan. We're gonna head over to the TA truck stop now and get some fuel, and head up to Vermont and deliver, and come back down towards here, take our 10-hour break probably in Watertown again, and pick up and go home. We'll be home late Friday night, like 10 o'clock, something like that. Alright, so we're here at the TA getting fuel. I forgot to check what my price is tonight. I think it's like $3.28 maybe? I'll have to take a look. Get done fueling. Alright, got our fuel ticket here. Got me a bag of Lay's potato chips I'm going to have with the McDouble that I saved from lunch today. Well, I'm going to do my fuel mileage, see what that is all about. 1,091,932. Yeah, the old girl's got a lot of miles on her. Alright, so we paid $3.33 a gallon here at the TA. And our fuel mileage was 7.44. Not bad, not good, not bad. Pretty consistent. Lifetime fuel mileage since I got the truck, which I got, what, 1.1 million on it now. I got it at 380,000, I think, was the mileage on it. And since I did my first fuel up, I've been tracking every tank of fuel, and I got 7.26 for lifetime of the truck with me driving it. And we're up to 7.52 for the last 30 days. 90 days is a 7.01. That's because we're coming out of winter. And winter blended fuel, you don't get as good fuel mileage with it. Anyway, we're gonna put our McDouble into the mic and then get on up the road. Now, these things seem to have gotten flatter in the refrigerator. There was nothing on top of them. They like shrank. Wow. Come on, baby. Okay, so I bought 2 of these McDoubles. I'll put the other one back in the baggie, back in the fridge. See, it's not a bad sized little fridge, but you can't have food and drinks in it at the same time. Well, you can, but you can't have, you know, if you got 4, 5, 6 drinks for the day in there, it's half full already. So let's, while we're waiting for that microwave, let's put these all the way down to 0 and see what happens. We'll check it when we get done tonight. Okay. Okay. Let's see. That one's set on 0. That one's set on 0. And right now the left side is 54. The right side is 57. Yeah. And I just remembered, this is not a 45 quart. Is it quart or liter? I don't know. I think the coolers are in quarts. This is not a 45. It's a 65. Yeah, 45 would be a lot smaller. Anyway, whatever it is, the next one is a little bit bigger than that one, so we'll see how that works out. Our microwave. Ooh, that's a hot burger now. I always keep my silverware in a box, a taped up box even, in there, so that that glass plate doesn't rattle around. I can't wait to get rid of this cooler. It's in the way all the time. It's in the way all the time. All right, so I made it in here to Waterbury in Vermont, and I've already dropped my trailer in the door, hooked up to the empty. I got to go clean it out now. And and got time. I got to leave here in the next 20 minutes, and I'll make it to the 3:05? Yeah, 3:05 a.m. ferry. That's the one I'm shooting for. So got about 20 minutes to do that, and clean this trailer out and then make it over there. Alright, so it's the next afternoon, or evening I should say. It's like 7 o'clock at night. I'm back here in Fulton, picking up my loaded trailer. Gonna take that home. Gonna be home for the weekend. Yay! It's gonna rain for the next 7 days. Boo! Anyway, we're all hooked up to the loaded one. Gotta get my paperwork and be on. All right, we gotta check the seal. And I just figured out a strange phenomenon here. You hear me fine here, right? When I go behind the trailer, alright guys, that's a really weird thing. Whenever I go behind the trailer, the audio breaks up, and I noticed that in the clip last night from Waterbury, the audio cut off, and also the clip yesterday when I was at the Loves in Watertown. When I went behind the trailer, the audio cut off. So I'm recording on my iPhone right here, and this is the little Bluetooth microphone that's hooked up to the camera, so it's not like this thing. Yeah, it's a direct connection to the phone. So why? Let's try it again. When I go behind the trailer, it cuts off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16. Come back around the other side and it works. I wonder why. That is really weird. Let's see. What if I stay further away from the trailer? If I stay further away, is the audio working? Whoa, almost fell on the rocks. Oh. What if I stand in between two trailers? It's not doing it. I'll come behind this trailer. So I don't. Strange. Guys, that's really strange. Why is it doing that? Whenever I go behind a trailer, it cuts off, and it doesn't matter what trailer it is. I don't know. It shouldn't make any difference. Shouldn't make any difference. Anyway, we're all set to go here. We're gonna head for the house. Head for the house. So yeah. Okay, before we go, let's take a look at our ICECO refrigerator freezer, see where we stand. Okay, so it's been on since, well, it's over 24 hours since you saw me shut it down, set it down to 0. Still set to 0s, but we've only gotten down to 38 on the left side and 43 on the right side. So no doubt in my mind that freezer is shot. So I'm glad I ordered another one. We'll get this one out of here probably tomorrow or Sunday at home, and put the new one in, and maybe we'll take this apart, see if we see anything wrong. But more than likely it just lost some refrigerant or something. I don't know. Oh well, we'll see how that goes. Anyway guys, we're gonna cut the video here, and just a side note here, I did this whole video on my iPhone just to see how it would work out, Don't know if I like it or not. Had some issues like with the audio before. The picture sometimes isn't that great. Kind of looks, certain lighting condition, it looks like it's like foggy out, but it's not actually foggy. Kind of a weird thing. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for riding along with me. Thank everybody that wished me condolences. I appreciate that very much. And we will see you on the next one. Everybody take care. Bye.